Jelly Babes, welcome back to my channel. So I have been very generously sent the whole of Madam Glam's new collection, which is called Glam. So I'm just going to give you a sneak peek of the colours. It's a definite beautiful sort of variety of autumn colours, and possibly some that you could wear going into winter as well. Also, you can buy with confidence because Madam Glams are free of toxins, they're vegan friendly and they're cruelty free. So they're definitely worth their money because of the quality of the polish that's inside. And I love the fact that you get the little colour swatch on top of the bottles as well, so it's great for people like me that store my polishes in drawers. So I'm going to be showing you how to create this design, but before I do that I want to highlight a lovely discount code. So Madam Glam have agreed to let you have 50% off your order if you use the code GeliBF. It does come with some rules, so it's only between November the 19th to the 21st. You do have to have a minimum of 3 products, and you must use the link in the description box below for that to all apply. But isn't that so generous of Madam Glam to offer such a high discount code? So you want to go ahead and apply your base coat to all of your nails and cure in your lamp. So I'm coming in with the different colours that I've just showed you. So I'm going from the lightest to the darkest. And I'm going to be using this stamping plate. It's a Dixie's stamping plate. I used this actually last year, but I did more of a wintry look. So I wanted to go for a more autumn feel with this because, the chunky knit jumpers, they're coming out. It's so cold here at the moment in the UK. So this is just a simple stamping technique. So you want to pick up the image and then looking through your clear stamper, just place that on to the nail. So I was going to kind of come in and add the different colours to the top of it, and when I tried it I just didn't like the end look. I thought I'd got some of it captured to show you, but I didn't. So I just kept this one super simple, but showing you the gorgeousness that is the chunky knit jumpers. And I think these are 4 beautiful shades as well for the autumn season. And it's definitely that time of year where we need to be having these your cuticle oil to hand, because it's where your nails will be the most dry. So I did say that I was going to do like a little review on this, but I haven't. I'm being a total hypocrite here because basically I've just been neglecting my nails. I haven't been putting this cuticle oil on, so I will try and use this for a certain amount of time and then give you some feedback on it. But I do need to start doing it now because it is getting quite cold here in the UK, and it just helps sort of nourish and protect your nails during the sort of bit more of the harsher, colder weather. So please let me know what you think about this design. So I'm going to be showing you swatches now of the rest of the collection. So first up is this gorgeous pink shade. So this is going to be perfect for any pink lover. But just look at how lush this is. So these polishes are a cream formula. So it's a real nice like formula to work with. So, you're going to only need to apply 2 coats for a flawless finish. So I'm going over this. I do it quite a lot just because I want it to be nice and even and as thin as possible. So you want to go ahead and cure that in your lamp. Then I'm coming in with the second coat, and like I say, you can see straight away that is all the coats that you're going to need, and it's totally opaque, and that is such a beautiful shade of pink. So next up is Give Me Pie, and I think this is my favourite out of the whole of this collection. It is such a gorgeous shade of orange. It's definitely the perfect sort of autumn orange. So for the rest of the swatches, I'm going to be showing you me applying the first coat in real time, just so you can see how nicely it applies. And then I'll be showing you the second coat, but that will be sped up, just so the video isn't too long. And obviously you want to be curing within each layer, and Madam Glam polishes are cured in 30 seconds as well. So you get, you're saving yourself 30 seconds with each layer, which is very important. If you do nails gels a lot, you'll know obviously it's a bit more of a longer process than normal nail polish. So yeah, those extra seconds that you can shed are really vital. So next up is Maize. So this is a kind of mixture. It's like a greeny grey. Is it a greeny grey? It's sort of like a blue grey. It's quite unusual to try and describe to you. But yeah, but I think it's more bluey grey. That's probably how I would describe it. Bluey grey. And again is a really nice shade for those that don't like the particularly bright colours. And I do think it's quite neutral, so you could wear this with quite a lot of colours really, which is quite good considering that it's a darker polish. So next up is Butter Up, and it's a really gorgeous colour. It's kind of like a caramel, like a caramelly colour. So yeah, so definitely again another sort of like nude, and gonna go with quite a lot of colours. But this one is super pretty because it's quite neutral, but it's just got that lovely hint of caramel going through it. And I think caramel tones are going to be in this autumn as well. So this is coming across, it's coming across lighter than it actually is. So I'm trying to turn the light down just to sort of tone the colour down to what I think is how it actually looks in real life. So yeah, so these are probably a little bit darker than what you're seeing on here, but you know, still absolutely beautiful shades. So next up is Sweater Weather, and the name of this kind of, well, obviously gave me the inspiration for the nails because like I say, I've got all my chunky knit jumpers coming out now, and I've just brought a chunky knit throw as well, and it's kind of like a mustardy yellow colour, and it's just so lovely to sort of cuddle up in at night. But yeah, it's definitely sweater weather here in the UK. So this one is obviously purpley toned. It's kind of like a mauve. That's probably how I would probably best describe it. Again, another beautiful polish for those that like the sort of more sort of darker shades. So next up is Corny, and this one is it's a gorgeous shade. It's kind of like, I'd describe it a bit like brick red. So obviously the bricks that we have aren't red, but it's that kind of look. So again, I don't think I've got a shade like this in my collection. So this one is a little sort of stunner, and again, this is coming across lighter on camera than it actually is. It's quite a darker shade. Yeah, so I'm sorry I can't get how it looks in real life on camera. Like I say, just bear in mind if you're going to purchase any of these, it's probably going to be a few shades darker than what you're seeing on screen. It's definitely more of a darker shade, like darker autumn shades. So next up is Harvest Party. So this is like a nice sort of soft brown, which is definitely going to go in like the nude collection. And again, I know I'm going to probably do your head in how many times I say it. Just bear in mind it's going to be that little bit more of a darker shade. But this one, again, is a lovely nude, neutral colour that you're going to be able to wear with absolutely anything. So it's good for those that, you know, are wearing different colours all of the time, but want a nail polish that's going to complement each one, but doesn't necessarily have to be nude. So moving on now, this is Haystack. So this is definitely bringing out more of the pinky tones, but it's a lovely sort of warm pink that, you know, you just feel like you're going to warm your fingers up just by looking at it. So again, this one is a must-have for a gel polish collection. So this is Busy Avocado, and again it's going back to those grey tones. So this one is probably more of a greeny grey. And I think about 90% of houses have got grey as more as like a central colour in their houses at the moment. So why not have it on your nails as well? So I just want to take the time to highlight something that you might not be aware of. I also do videos for Kiki London's YouTube channel, and I actually do like freehand designs using gel polishes, but obviously just Kiki London's gel polishes. So I would really appreciate it if you could go and check that out. The link is in the description box below, and I'll try and put an iCard on the screen as well. But it'd be great if you could go and support me over on that channel, and also support Kiki London as well, which is a beautiful sort of mix of like dark like pinks and purples. So that is all of the 10 polishes swatched. So have you got any favorites? Let me know in the comments box below. So here are all of the colours all together. So yeah, this is such a beautiful autumn collection, and it's got lots of colours that are very in nowadays. So I'm going to be showing you like half and half with the glossy and a matte. I think Kiki London's is the best matte top coat that I've used, that with the top coats that I've kind of used so far that are on the market. So all of these polishes are going to look absolutely stunning, whether it's glossy or matte. So it's just down to your preference of finish. So I appreciate you coming and watching my video. If you're new on here, please press that free subscribe button, and my channel's all about doing nail art related videos and product reviews like this one that you're watching today. So let me know your thoughts on this collection, and if you're going to be purchasing it or not, or whether you're just going to get a few bottles from this collection. And don't forget to benefit from my 50% off code, which is GeliBF. And all the rules are obviously going to be in the description box below as well. And make sure you use the link that will be provided in the description box. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video with me today. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch it. And take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.